Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Misc Corner. I am Mukul Sarma subject teacher. Today I shall discuss some problem in Misc Exercise Chapter Number 6. This is my lecture number 56 for class 11. So first problem, that is solve 2 less than 3x minus 4 less than equal 5. First problem is 2 less than equal 3x minus 4 less than 5. At first we have to remove minus 4 from here. So to remove this we have to add 4 here, and this 4 should be added in this and this also. Therefore this implies we can write 2 plus 4 less than 3x minus 4 plus 4 less than 5 plus 5. Adding 4. This is adding 4. Next step, this 6, there is 4, we can cancel it. Therefore 3x less than equal 9. Next step, we have to remove 3 from here. Here 3 is in multiplied with x, therefore we have to divide 3 here, here and here. Got 6 by 3, therefore 3x by 3, this is 9 by 3. It is 2 less than equal x less than equal 3. This is the solution. We can write is in interval form. We can write it as 2, 3, that is close interval. This is next problem, that is question number is 2 here. Here this is 6 less than minus 3 2x minus 4 less than 12. This is less than equal, this is less than. Now we have to, how can we solve this? Here also at first we multiply. This implies we can write 6 less than x. First we multiply this. Minus 3 into 2x minus 6x. Minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. It is. Now we have to remove plus 12 from here. So adding all sides, subtracting 12 from all sides. 6 minus 12 minus 6x plus 12 is how we have to subtract this. But this is not less than, this is less than. But 12 minus 12. This is. Therefore this is minus 6 less than. We can cancel this. 6x less than, this is 0. Now we have to divide both sides by, divide all sides by minus 6, because minus 6 is here, minus 6 is multiplied with x here. So we have to divide minus 6 all sides. Minus 6 by minus 6, the sign will be changed since operation is with the negative sign. Therefore this is so minus 6x by minus 6 greater than 0 by minus 6. This is 1 greater than x. We can cancel 6x, can cancel this also. This is greater than 0. This is the solution. We can write therefore 0 less than equal 1 in interval form. Interval form we can write is 0 1. This is open, but this is close interval. Next problem is question number 4. This is question number 4. Minus 15 less than 3x minus 2 divided by 5 less than equal 0. Solution. At first we multiply this. Minus 15 less than 3x minus 6 divided by 5. Now we multiply. We have to multiply all sides by 5 to remove this. We have to remove this. This is in this 3x minus 6 is divided from. So we have to multiply 5 here. That's 5 into 5. 3x minus 6. This is 5 into 5. 0 into 5. This is minus 5. This is minus 75 less than 3x minus 6 less than equal 0. Next step, we have to remove minus 6 from here. So we have to add 6 here. Here I mean 6 6 plus koribo lagibo here to add. That is 6. This is not less than, this is less than, but 3x plus 6, 0 plus 6. This is minus 69, that is less than, this is 3x. We can cancel this. This is 6. Now we have to divide all sides by 3. Here 3 is multiplied with x, so we have to divide with 3. Divide by 3. This is 3x by 3. 6 by 3. This is minus 23 less than x. This is, we can cancel this. This is 2. In interval form also. In interval form, it is minus 23 2. That is opened or this is closed. You can write this as the next problem. That is this question number 5. This 5 question number. This will be very important. Minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x minus 5 less than equal. At first (12) less than, this is minus, so we can write is 3x plus 5. Now at first we have to remove 4 from here. As 4 is plus with 3x plus 4, so we have to subtract 4 from all sides. So minus 4, minus 12 minus 4, that is 4 plus 3x by minus 4, 2 minus 4. আমি চাৰিটো কেউপিনৰ পৰা আমি চাৰিটো মাইনাছ কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত. Minus 16, that is less than, that is 4 plus we cancel, 3x by 5 less than equal minus 2. Next we have to multiply both each side by 5 to remove this 5. That was 6 to 5. আমি 5 পূরণ করিলো যাতে এই 5 টো আমার ক্যান্সেল যায়। It will 80 less than 3x less than equal minus 10. Next, we have to divide by 3 to remove this 3 from here. 3x by 3 minus 10 by 3. It is minus 80 by 3. It is, we can cancel x. This you can cancel 3 here. It's minus 10 by 3. This is the solution. In interval form, it is minus 80 by 3 minus 10 by 3. This is open, but this is closed interval. Next problem, that is question number, that is solve and show graphically. First we say that is 7. That is 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24. And next one is 5x minus 1 less than 12. There are, we have to find two solutions here. From here, this implies we can write 5x greater than minus 24 minus 1. This is 5x greater than minus 25. It is x greater than minus 25 by 5. This is greater than minus 2. We can mark this 1. আমি এক নম্বর ইকুয়েশন বুলি ধৰিলো। নেক্সট এইটো ইকুয়েশনৰ কাৰণে আমি সলভ কৰিম x ৰ 5x less than 24 plus 1. That is 5x less than 25. This is x less than 25 by 5, x less than 5. From 1 and 2 we see that from 1 and 2 solution is, there is here x greater than minus 5, but here is x less than, therefore we can write minus 5 less than x less than 5. Interval form, in interval form this can be written as, this is open interval. Graphical solution. That is graphical solution. What is the graphical solution here? This is the graph for, this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. Therefore we have marked it as 0. Let this is minus 5 and this is 5. Therefore this is 5. We cannot take minus 5 or 5, so solution is this. We cannot this. So this is about the problem. Next class also I shall discuss some more problem.